non-feature film category 2024. We'll begin in reverse order. The special jury mention goes to, there are two films. Chola Dora or Sui, it's Hindi. The film tenderly celebrates the heritage, craftsmanship, cultural resilience and enduring traditions of the Gaddi community in the Himalayas through eloquent cinematic storytelling. Director Jamin Modi and Lokesh Ghai. Second special mention goes to Bhadrakali Natkam, Malayalam film, for beautifully capturing Kerala's sacred Bhadrakali traditions through evocative visuals and immersive sound design. Director Anand Jyoti. Best script, Obur, Hindi and Kashmiri, for its striking brilliance in narrating the story of a teenage horse guide in a snowbound village whose search for a lost digital memory becomes a haunting reflection on grief and loss. Scriptwriter Faraz Ali. Best narrator, voiceover, Little Planet, A Tale of Frogs, English, for its exceptional voice artistry, bringing life and depth to the hidden world of frogs in the Western Ghats, inspiring wonder and deepening appreciations for the region's remarkable biodiversity. Narrator, voiceover, Saundarya Jayachandran. Best music direction, On the Trail of 41 Degree, Marathi. Citation. For its evocative music direction, the film sustains suspense, thrill, and engagement, heightening mystery as extraordinary events unfold within ordinary lives, enriching the narrative with emotional depth and intrigue. Music director Shivpal Singh Kang. Best editing, NDA Hindi, for its masterful editing where precise pacing, rhythmic montage, and seamless transitions weave the film into a stirring narrative of legacy, valor, and the spirit of young army officers. Editor Manvir Jasroitia. Best sound design, Blue, Tamil, for exceptional sound design and immersive sonic textures, waves, silence, and ambient shifts to evoke a child's wish of seeing a well, blending hope, emotion, and vastness of the sea into a moving experience. Sound designer Hari Hara Sudhan. Best cinematography, Life in Loom, English, Tamil, Hindi, Assamese, and Bengalis, for its evocative visual poetry that transforms India's landscapes into a living canvas where breathtaking cinematography, light, texture, and movement celebrate the timeless artistry, resilience, heritage, and spirit of handloom weaving. Cinematographer Edmund Ransom. Best direction, Statue of Unity, Ekta Ka Pratik, Hindi. Citation. For creatively chronicling the making of the world's tallest statue through dynamic cinematic storytelling, transforming and engineering marvel into a stirring tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, unity and national pride. Director Anand L. Rai. Best short film, Humsafar Marathi. Through a compassionate cinematic narrative, the film reveals how ordinary objects become deeply personal and how their loss opens a poignant void, sparking and heartfelt search for memory, identity, and emotional connection. Producer Anuksha Motion Pictures and Entertainment. Director Abhijit Arvind Dalvi. Best animation film, Touched as Water, Silent. For its simple yet profound artistry, this film transforms grief into poetic animation, capturing love, loss, and hope through graceful visuals and extraordinary cinematic simplicity. Producer JB Productions, director and animator Joseph Benedict. Best non-feature film promoting social and environmental values, Piplantari, A Tale of Ecofeminism, Hindi, Rajasthani, and English. Through compelling storytelling and striking imagery, this documentary reveals how the peace of Piplantari transformed an environmental crisis into enduring hope, forging a powerful legacy of ecological and social renewal. Producer Johnson Suraj Films International, director Suraj Kumar. Best documentary, Ram Nami, Hindi, For its masterful storytelling, this documentary illuminates the extraordinary Ramnami tradition, portraying faith, unity, and resilience with intimacy and originality, creating a profound cinematic portrait of an enduring spiritual community. Producer BVP Studio Virtual Bharat Private Limited, Director Bharat Bala Ganapati. Best Art Culture Film, Main Nida, Hindi. Through rare archival footage and evocative storytelling, this documentary honors Padma Shri Nida Fazli, preserving his poetic brilliance, philosophical wisdom, and enduring literacy legacy of future generations with grace and authenticity. Producer Samprihan Multimedia Private Limited.